So what? That's too high again. Is it too high? Is it too high, Jirana? I think that's too high. Yep. Dilana, look at me. Here, look at me. Should I touch? No. He's gonna get grumpy. Jilana, Jilana. Wow, that's so quick, Jilana. That's too high. Did you count all of them? How many are they? Oh, I need the. Here's the key. Can I? Oh, the door is too high. What happened? Oh, there's another door. Oh, this is a big window. Oh, I can. Oh, and then we can put Rapunzel there. Rapunzel. She is in the. Is Rapunzel in the building?